Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL RT8 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to tap on About Tablet. Now scroll down to the very bottom again and keep tapping on the build number to activate the developer options. After that, simply tap on the system, which is right above the About Tablet, and enter developer options. Now scroll down a little bit to find this option, Automatic System Updates. In my case it is turned on, however if you've got it turned off, just tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course you can turn this option off just like I've shown you, just by tapping on the switcher. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.